evening, everybody in America, in the UK, in Libya. Good words, Libya. Getting your freedom. That's about as political as I get. Rock on, Libya. Rock on. And I'm very sure across the internets. We're going to talk about belching in today's society. Is it really acceptable or not? I think it is. As long as you excuse me, right? After all, if you can walk around with your butt cheeks hanging out of a pair of shorts and not have any people crapping at you about it, you're going to freaking daggum well belch in public. And if I'm wrong, oh well. Ride with me and my belching brothers. Gonna ride to the top and belch like none other. So belching is perfectly allowed and it's alright. And believe me, oh well. What?
You get your crackhead stuff home.
I'm about to recollect, I'm gonna recollect my shoe up your side.
I'm about to knock the fire out of you.
Yeah? Why you gotta hide behind that football pole, huh? Huh?
Cause
Ha ha! You messing up your thing right there, your fishing pole.
I'm about to mess you up.
I'm about to mess you up by way of suicide, son.
I'm about to mess you up, po-ho.
What's a po-ho?
Oh.
hey! Look at you! Disrespect.
Where's your cover?
Disrespect right there for you. It's my suicide in your arm, boy.
Oh my God, Robert!
She's gonna patch up my cover. I got a very disrespectful brother right here.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up.
But we're getting away with this.
No.
Put the knife up.
No, boys.
I ain't breaking stuff.
Don't go.
I ain't steal my hat too. Yeah, he's just a little shy. It's alright, girls. He is single. Yeah. That's a face only a mother could love. Just like mine, but girls love it too, you know.
Boys.
What you got to say about that now, son, huh?
You have a really face and nobody wants you.
Why you wear my hat?
I don't want to talk to you with my hat too.
Well, because I have the right to wear your hat because you wear mine.
I had the right to wear your hat because you always wear
Well, I recollect that you'll recollect that wearing my hat ain't right to wear your hat. I recollect that I will suicide you all over the United States of America.
Why would you commit suicide on me?
I said suicide.
What is a suicide?
My way of committing homicidal acts on you, my shoes.
Oh, you're stupid.
You a po-ho. I'm the poet's mother lover on this side of the planet.
Why would you want to be that?
Cause poor people get all the good stuff.
Oh, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, they don't.
Why don't you get over here?
Because I don't want to.
Why not?
Because I like it this far.
You suck.
Try by my corner. No hole over there. I know hooker like you.
More disrespect for me. It's amazing I haven't lost power yet. I'm a recollect. As for my cover, it'll be alright. It's just been doing a lot. I don't take good care of it like I should, but like it good taking care of me, I'm gonna start taking good care of it. Probably got my sister in there sewing it up. Be good as new, baby. I hope. Otherwise, I recollect I won't be having a good cover for a long time, a while. You know what I'm saying? I sure do love that cover. Give it a prayer for it, if you know what I'm saying, please. Purse.